In this Qimera video, I'm going to create a Qimera project, load some multi-beam data to that project, and then create a dynamic surface which then can be visualized and later on edited. So the first thing we need to do is create a project. This is very simple, straightforward. Let's give the project a name. It will automatically assign a UTM coordinate system unless you want it to work in a local coordinate system, in which case untick the box, choose the local coordinate system, and that's it. Project's created and it's now waiting for data. It's now asking if I'd like to load some multi-beam data into the project, and I would. And I can either add by a directory or I can add some files, which is what I'm going to do here. Add these 3 files. The coordinate system here it's asking for is the coordinate system that the GPS was logging in when the files were recorded. And after inserting, I'm going to regroup by vessel and day to give the project some structure. And then I say OK. It's now extracting the data, and you can see it's using all the cores I have on my computer. This is a very, very rapid process, and that's the data brought in, metadata extracted, and is now ready to create a dynamic surface, which I shall do now. And I'll use all my data and give the dynamic surface a name, give it a cell size, and that's the dynamic surface created. It's created in 2D and it's created in 3D. Just by changing the buttons here, you go from one to the other. The 3D is the familiar Fledermaus engine, and there are some spikes here for data cleaning at a later stage. And that's all there is to creating a project, loading data, and making a dynamic surface.